My name is Eli Karpilovski. I'm the CEO and founder of InsidePacket. We started the company about 7 years ago. We're a US company and based out of Palo Alto, California. When we look at the market of typical network as a service platform, and we look at the operators, service providers, network service providers, data center providers, we see a huge gap in between what they offer today and what is typically being sold to the enterprise customers. So what we try to do is to bridge that gap in between what they can offer today, which is manual, typically connectivity of their enterprise locations, data centers, and clouds, and move it to the next level, which is sophisticated services, being more scalable, and offer a lot more services per the port that they sell to customers. So starting from the basic connectivity, data center to data center, data center to cloud, cloud to cloud, direct internet access, to more sophisticated services like security and observability and troubleshooting of their day-to-day operation. That way they could basically compete in all levels and offer a lot more services to their customers. So if we look at our offering for NaaS from an AI perspective versus the other markets, the immediate answer comes to mind is really about the AI is just the tip of the iceberg, right? So AI came as a final step after the investment that InsidePacket made in just collecting data from over the years for the workloads and workers of the operators. And so when you look at all the stack that we have built over the years to analyze, to troubleshoot, to find anomalies, to better support, better connect, better protect, better support the operator and the operator customers, which is basically the enterprise customers, the AI is just the final stage of taking this data lake of information that we collect from the networking level, the application level, and the security level, combining it all into one big single throat to choke, where we could come to a conclusion about what is the results that the enterprises are expecting for, or how they want to manage their network. And the AI does it really, really well. But it would never be a successful service without the depth of all the other elements that kind of assemble our network as a service platform. And I think if you look at what AI brings to the operators in the next 2-3 years, to me, it's like we can look at this in 3 different buckets. The first one is what they're selling today and how they can improve that offering to their customers, again, the enterprise customers, mainly around the day-to-day operation. So the first thing is to serve customers with the agility, scale, and performance that the customers demand. And typically enterprise these days are looking for a lot more agility, connecting multiple clouds, scaling up or down their bandwidth of the DIA connection, connecting data centers, branches, clouds, etc. And with the AI, you could serve a lot more customers with much less operational kind of a force, either on the sales force or the support force. And I think the AI is really good at meeting those kind of a requirement to enable those enterprise customers with that. The second level is the security. Typically, operators having a lot more, nowadays with the NaaS platform that we offer, they could provide sophisticated services, but in return they need to understand how to better sell it versus the over-the-top players and the other players in the market. So either they hire expensive experts, either on their end or in the enterprise end, or they can rely on the AI. And the InsideIQ from our end is this service that basically assemble all of these into one very simple to use operational model where you can just understand the security hazards and the challenges within your network, understand more about anomalies in your network in a click of a button. The challenge of NaaS, and I think this is the third kind of element, is when with with automation and scale come great responsibility, because you now can just point and click and add a new connection, a new way to internet, a new gateway to remote workers and workloads, which means that if you do not block the security elements of that at the same pace of connecting or creating the connection, you're going to be very vulnerable from the operator support and from your enterprise workloads support. So when you have that AI, kind of a always on guard, 24/7, understand exactly what you just changed in the network and immediately respond to that, either proactively or just by letting you know, you have covered all bases and really been able to provide almost like a 24/7 guardians that keep you up and running and your business up and running for all new connections and all your services that you have.